let's discuss about overview of hospitality. Hospitality means directions management or policy development in Japanese. It helps link organizations goals with employed activities. It focuses on achieving long-term vision through certain actions. Ensure that everyone in the company works towards the same objectives. Its objectives and functions are to align company goals at all levels, top, middle and bottom, to ensure continuous improvement, dissect and effective strategic executions. Then planning, setting clear and measurable targets for all departments. Reviewing, regularly checking progress and making improvements. Diagram of hospitality missions is to achieve long-term goals, is to achieve annual objective, is to achieve department's plans, which leads to team and individual actions, then gives review and feedback. Merits and demerits are merits is improved coordinations between department, aligns all employees towards one directions, increase accountability and teamwork, encourage innovations and continuous improvement. Then demerits, team consuming process, requires strong leadership and communications, may face resistance from employees, hard to maintain large organizations without commitment. Applications of hospitality used in strategic planning and goal setting in companies, helps in product quality management and process improvement. Applied in manufacturing and service industry to align targets and results. Thank you.
So this is the overview of IMBA box. A IMBA box is a tool used in lean manufacturing. It helps to balance and schedule production according to demand. It reduces waste and keeps the workflow smooth. The box visually shows what to produce and when. So now let's talk about the objective of IMBA box. To level production and avoid uneven workload, to reduce overproduction and waiting time, to make production more efficient and speedy, to use resources effectively. So this is the diagram of IMBA box. So the left hand side shows the time slot, the right hand side shows the product time. So this shows that how the production is divided into across this product A and product B. During this time slot 9 to 10, the workers generally focuses on making product A. Now during the time slot of 10 to 11, the workers focuses on making product B. Then during the time slot of 11 to 12, the workers generally focuses, then the production is shifted back to product A again. So the merits and demerits of IMBA box. Merits, balance production flows, reduces waste and delays, it is easy to understand and follow, then it improves teamwork and time use. Demerits, needs correct data work well, hard to apply in complex system, takes time to maintain, not suitable for very high product variety. Now the application. It is used in factories and assembly lines. It helps to plan and monitor daily production. It is useful in management and quality control. Then it is applied in automobile industry and manufacturing industry. It is also supports just-in-time production. Thank you.
Today my topic is visual. So now we will
now start. F5 प्रेस करो, F5 आराम से. हाँ, मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. हाँ, ओके.
So overview of PC banking. PC banking refers to digital or online banking products where scammers trick people to steal their money or personal information. It includes fake bank messages, calls, emails, and link to pretend from real bank. The aim is collected sensitive data such as PINs, OTPs, password, or account details. It is a cybercrime that affects both banks and customers. So the next. So the objective of PC banking awareness to educate customer about banking frauds, to prevent loss of money due to scams, to promote safe digital banking habits, to strengthen cyber security system, to encourage report of suspicious activities. This is a diagram of PC banking fraud. First, the fraud people are send a fake message or email to the user. Then user click the link. They enter the bank details into the account, then hackers steal the information and the money transfer. The merits and demerits of the security. Merits: protect people from the fraud, build trust in digital banking, improve cyber security knowledge, reduce financial loss cases. Demerits: leads to money and data loss, creates mental stress for victims, misuses technology for crime, reduces trust in online banking. Application of PC banking used in bank cyber security training, reducing bank design for detection system, educates customer about safe online banking, used in campaign RBI banks, RBI के जागरूक assist law enforcement in identifying scam patterns. Thank you.
Today I am going to discuss vendor analysis. Vendor analysis is essential for decision making. It helps business to make find, evaluate and potential partners, and they can make sure they are getting the right partner, right supplier to support their goals and objective effectively. Benefits of vendor analysis: cost reduction. It helps to identify cost saving potential and by streamlining the process and negotiating better terms, and understand it leads to reducing cost expense and improving budget by organization. Then risk mitigation. It helps company to identify recognize the potential risks and make sure they are taking major steps to minimize their damage and disruption, and improve efficiency. Through vendor analysis, business can optimize their supply chain by process, and it leads to faster delivery time and better resource allocation. Vendor analysis: defining clear goals or objectives of companies. It leads to crucial and effective vendor analysis that helps to understand what you need from vendors and guides you evaluate process effectively. Key steps in vendor analysis. Vendor analysis process involves evaluating potential supplier and comparing their offer and scoring them based on specific criteria like SWOT, strength, weakness, and opportunity and threats. Key factor analysis: price consideration. It helps to evaluate the price by comparing from one vendor to other vendor offers, and quality assessment. It also helps find better quality from one vendor to other vendor. Then reliability check. Assessing vendors' reliability by researching their history and performance that they deliver on time and putting their communications committing constantly. Tools and techniques. It also helps assessing tools such as SWOT, the strength, weakness, opportunity and threats, and it cost analysts to effectively evaluate and improve vendor performance. Vendor risk. Last.
Presenting supply chain management. The overview of supply chain management. Supply chain management defines the flow of goods from the origin, from its origin to the end consumer. The key elements of supply chain includes supplier, manufacturer, distributor, retailers, and customer. Supplier helps in providing the raw materials to the manufacturer. Manufacturer then produce the goods and deliver it to the distributor. Distributor helps to flow the goods to the end consumer. Purpose of supply chain: it improves efficiency, reduce cost, and ensure customer satisfaction. The example is Amazon. Global.
Hey, you are skipping that one. So try to elaborate that particular slide. Go to the key elements. The key elements are supplier, manufacturer, distributor, retailer, and customer. Tick. The next one go for propose.
Improve efficiency, reduce cost, and ensure customer satisfaction. So, by supply chain, the flow of the goods is improve efficiency by quality checking and monitoring the supply, and reduce cost by managing waste and in their inventory. Then last, customer satisfaction. So, by giving the customer, retaining them, and gaining their trust, it increases the customer satisfaction. And the example is Amazon Global Distribution Store. So Amazon produce their goods and deliver to the customer in right time. Objective of supply chain management. So the objective.
Be louder. Your voice is not audible.
Objectives are ensure timely delivery to the product, reduce operational cost, maintain quality and flexibility, enhance customer satisfaction, optimize inventory and resources. So the overall the object. Merits and demerits of supply chain management. Merits: improve product quality and delivery speeds. So by the flow, it improves the delivery speeds and minimize cost and waste by enhancing the inventory and enhance coordination and customer satisfaction. Demerits: high setup cost and complexity, risk of delays and dependency on vendors, data security and costs.
What is setup cost?
Setup costs are when the inventory are made, large amount of inventory are set in different kind of places. So the flow of goods should be enhanced. So the setup of this inventory are very expensive.
Okay, go to the application.
Application are retail fast delivery and stock management, manufacturing lean production system, healthcare supply of medical equipments and medicines, e-commerce, real-time order tracking and fulfillment, food and agriculture, maintain freshness through cold chain logistics, and defense and aerospace.
Okay, start.
Good morning everyone. My name is Devraj Saul and today I am going to present the topic product design. So the meaning of product design is to design the product according to the needs and requirements of the customers. So let's go deep into it. First one is functions and objectives. So all you know the functions are like user satisfaction to satisfy the users by the product. The next one is feasibility, as like it should have a usability very normal and everyone can use it. So the next one is business alignment. It means aligning the business ideas to the product by which the business can make profit also out of it. The next one is advantages of effective product design. The first one is user experience. As you all know, product should be in such a way it should provide a better user experience to the customer, by which the user will use the product more, not once. The next one is innovation. As there are many competitors in the market, so if you want to make stand out your product. So you should innovate, should keep changing constantly in the product. The next one is cost efficiency. It also means that the product which you are making should be like cost efficient, that the people who are going to use, they can easily afford or easily buy to use it. The next one is customer loyalty. As all the three points meet, the customer automatically gets to use the product, and the customer only uses after when it gets the best customer experience, innovative in the product in regular uses. As like for example, we can take mobile phone. As the user experience in mobile phone is super. And the next one is innovation. Mobile phone keeps on evolving, like adding new features, adding new updates, by which users get the loyalty. They can gain the trust of the brand, by which they will use the product not in single time, but also will refer to others, by which they can buy also. The next one is challenges and limitations. So as designing a product, it always has some challenges. The first one is like innovation and user satisfaction, and the next one is time consuming. As to develop a product, like to use to meet all the requirements, it requires some time. Without in limited time, the product can't be like super excited, super crazy. By which the customer, you will get the customer, you will get the like reviews, you will get the trust. Everything requires time, and if the time is limited, then it arises a question on the product that is the customer going to be loyal? Is the customer will get the best customer experience? So the time and the innovation and user satisfaction also a challenge and limitations of designing a product. And the next one is application of product design. It means where the product design is applicable. First one is electronics. The next one is fashion. And in fashion, the most important thing is that in the fashion industry, the product need to be designed according to the requirements and needs of the consumers. There are vast number of consumers, and different consumers have different mindset by using the clothes. Automotive industry is going in today's generation. Most people are going to buy EV vehicles. So it is like product designing the product according to the need and requirements of the consumers, by which they can stay ahead of the competitors in the market. The last one is medical. As the product is medical, the product should be designed according to the disease. The medicine which you are going to develop, it should be specified that which disease it is going to cure. That's all from my side. Thank you.
I am Udanandas, and today I am going to present the MRP, means Material Requirement Planning. So first we discuss what is the Material Requirement Planning. So Material Requirement Planning is a systematic approach for calculating the materials and components required in manufacturing, ensuring timely available for production process. It means the farm is production the products and the services. It is an approach that calculate the right amount of materials are available at the right time in the right place, so that the production process is going in a smooth manner. What is the purpose of the MRP? So the primary purpose of the MRP is to ensure the right material at the are available in the right quantities at the right time, optimize the production efficiency. The primary purpose of the MRP is the product which is meant to production in the farm. The raw materials are available in the right quantities. Means how many output you produce in a farm, that the raw material of that specific product are available in the right quantities and in right time. If we take an example, in this Diwali festival, the demand of the candles are high. So if the farm produce the candles after the Diwali, that is not any there are no meaning that to supply on the market. So the production is also in the right times, and if we talk about the historical context of the MRP, so it refers that the manual planning techniques, means it is the manual planning techniques to advance the computer systems and production scheduling in various industries through the years. Means it is the advanced process to it is the advanced manual planning process to advance the computer system by which the production process flow in a smooth manner. There are the four components of MRP. So first is input, inventory, BOM means bills of material, and the last one is output. First we input. Input means the in here the essential data driven by MRP calculation, means the essential in this we say the raw materials, the inputs we first process through the MRP calculation. Then the second one is inventory. Inventory means the current material available for the production need, means what are the current available materials is available to start the production. And the next one is BOM, means bills of materials, the detailed list of the component required for manufacturing. Means if we talk about a industry, that is furniture industry. So furniture industry, what are the detailed components, means which type of wood you require, which type of glue you require to manufacturing that furniture. The details are recording on the BOM, means bills of material. And the last one is output. After aggregating all this thing, the final product is known as the output, means the complete finished good is known as the output. So this is the process, how the MRP is what. The first is the demand forecasting. After we enter in the market, the first process is the demand forecasting, means the product which is available in the market, what is the demand of that product. And the next one is adjustment of demand. According to the market, we should adjust our forecasting. And the last one is capacity planning. The next one is capacity planning. Capacity planning helps to resource efficiently to meet the project material needs. Means in what amount of product we raise in the market, or what is our capacity to make that product, with all covered into the capacity planning. If we go to the further step, so the further step is demand analysis. Means what is the demand in the market, we should analyze the demand. Then the BOM structure, means as we talked before, what is the BOM structure? BOM structure is referred to the detailed analysis of the raw materials or the inventory. And the next one is inventory verification, means what the product we consume as a raw material, we should verify that before the production process, so that our production process is going in a smooth manner and effective and efficiently it will be done. The next step is demand planning. Demand planning is what is the demand in the market, we should plan accordingly. If the demand is more than our production, so we can't meet the demand, and the demand is less than our production, so it is surplus. And both the cases, the company faces the loss, and it is not good for the company. So we should check the demand planning before we start the production process. Let's say inventory check. We should check how much inventory we currently have and how much inventory we need to produce. That is the part of inventory check. Then the order generation. Order generation is the last step. It's the planned order and generate based on the calculation, net requirement, streaming production schedule. Means how many order we receive from the market, and accordingly that basis the MRP process works. The benefit and the challenges of the MRP process. The first benefit is the improve the inventory control. By the help of the MRP process, we should improvise our inventory control. Means how many inventory we need to produce and how many inventory we should buy or made. That all these decisions are going through the MRP process. So MRP process basically helps to improvise the inventory control. And the demerits of the MRP process is the data accuracy dependency. Means the regular need of change. Means if on a time the demand of in the Diwali time the demand of the candle is high, so after Diwali the demand of the candle is low. So accordingly that the MRP process is changed. So it is one of the demerit of the MRP process. So that's all about the MRP process. That it basically deals that how we effectively convert the raw material in the finished good in an effective manner and a effective way. So that's all about myself. Thank you.